So right now, we have our Soilmec SR-30 setting on an actual dry well. He's down about 25 feet deep with his 4-foot auger. He'll run that down to 130 feet deep to bid depth, and then that'll finish the hole. But in these soil conditions, to get down to the 10 feet of permeable, we want to go down to 130 feet deep, so we know that our dry wells will perform best as soon as the storm captures are installed. To talk about the Soilmec, we chose it for this project due to its total hole depth. We can drill down to 150 feet with these set of bars on here. And then also with the access here, we decided to go with the Soilmec because of the tracks. The consequences for not using a rig such as this in these conditions you would have a dry well that would not work. You would end up spending a lot of time maneuvering a rubber tire rig down in this excavation, so the tracks help with moving around, makes it a little bit easier.